Fifth standard Science, Unit number 4, Science in Everyday Life. Science is a part of our daily life. Things we use like TV, fridge, washing machine, mobile phones, etc. All the things are working under some principles of science. Science helps us to find a solution to many of our problems. It has shaped our daily life also. We see lot of changes around us. Let's see about them in this unit. The world we are living in is not the same as before. It is changing every day, in fact, every hour. We see lot of changes around us. Changes may be reversible or irreversible. Scientist from Tamil Nadu. Scientific concepts can be seen in ancient Tamil literatures. Tamil Nadu produced many scientists who have contributed to the world of science. The following table gives the names of the Tamil Nadu scientists, their department and their contributions. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, Genetics Department, his contribution is Green Revolution. Srinivasa Ramanujan, Mathematics Department, and his contribution is Composite Number. Venkatraman Radhakrishnan, Biology Department, his contribution is Structure of Ribosome. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Aeronautical Engineering Department, and his contribution is Missile Development. Sir C.V. Raman, Physics Department, and his contribution is Sketching of Light. In this unit, we have to learn about Sir C.V. Raman and Abdul Kalam. First, Sir C.V. Raman. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman was born at Tiruchirappalli of Tamil Nadu on 7th November 1888. He completed his Bachelor of Arts degree at Presidency College in Chennai. He won gold medal in physics. In 1907, he got his Master of Science from University of Madras. Sir C.V. Raman won the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work in sketching of light. In 1954, he was also awarded the greatest award, Bharat Ratna. Blue appearance of sky. One day in the summer of 1921, Sir C.V. Raman was on the deck of a ship sailing in the Mediterranean Sea. He was observing the blue color of the sky and started reasoning it. He concluded that sunlight is scattered by the gases and particles present in the air. The white light we see is composed of different colors such as violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. That is VIBGR. Means which will be coming to your mind? Yes, rainbow. Among these colors, blue is scattered more. Because of this reason, sky appear blue most of the time. During sunrise and sunset, rays have to travel long distance. As they travel, all other colors except red is scattered. So sky appears red at sunrise and sunset. Student, do you know National Science Day is celebrated on 28th February every year in order to commemorate in invention of Raman effect by Sir C.V. Raman on the same day in the year 1928. All of you know, on our school also we have celebrated National Science Day by conducting Science Expo. Abul Bakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam was an aeronautical scientist. He was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. He got his Bachelor of Science degree from St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli in 1954. In 1960, he got his degree in Aeronautical Engineering from Madras Institute of Technology. He was involved in Indian's missile development program and thus come to be known as Missile Man of India. He also served as the President of India and widely referred to as the People's President. He was awarded Padma Bhushan in 1981, Padma Vibhushan in 1990 and Bharat Ratna in 1997. He was written many books like Wings of Fire, India 2020 and Ignited Minds. Changes around us. Change is the transition of a substance from one form to another. We see many changes around us. We also see changes in objects. We see changes like day and night, summer and winter, and so on. Growth of the tree, ripening of fruits, and falling of leaves. You can observe changes. You also, your height and weight increase, hair grow, and you have grown up as a whole compared to last year. These changes can be classified as reversible and irreversible changes. Reversible changes, changes which can be reversed, are called reversible changes. If you keep water in the freezer for some time, it is transformed into ice. If it is taken out, it becomes water again. This is a reversible change. Irreversible changes, changes which cannot be reversed, are called irreversible changes. If you burn a piece of paper, it burns and turns into ash. It cannot become paper again. This is irreversible change. Difference between reversible and irreversible changes are: reversible change, a substance can turn to its original state. In irreversible change, a substance cannot change to its original state. The chemical properties of the substance do not change. In irreversible change, the chemical properties of the substance will change. Most of the physical changes are reversible. All chemical changes are irreversible. Waste generated in our environment. Waste is any substance which is discarded after primary use. It is worthless, defective, and of no use. They are unwanted and undesirable materials. Household wastes. Waste from home is known as household waste. Solid waste disposed from house and apartments comprise of garbage and rubbish. We can classify the household waste as below. Organic waste like kitchen waste, vegetables, flowers, leaves, fruits. Toxic wastes, old medicines, paints, chemicals, bulbs, spray cans, fertilizer, pesticide, batteries, etc. Recyclable waste, paper, glass, metals, plastics. Solid wastes, cloths, solid with blood and other body fluids. E-waste, computer parts, electronic materials, cell phone parts, CFL bulbs. Segregate wastes into biodegradable, gradable and non-biodegradable items and hand over them to the municipal and corporation people who collect them. Do not throw away your waste everywhere. Put them in dustbins and dispose them properly. Don't waste food. Waste food in schools can be collected and used to feed cattle.